In the US, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has already started receiving Oreo for Verizon and Sprint models. The T-Mobile variant will be next one in line for Oreo, as T-Mobile product manager, Day, confirms on Twitter. The Oreo update will begin rolling out this Sunday, April 1st. We'll just have to take Day word for it, as this Sunday is coincidentally April Fool's Day. The Android 8.0 update brings Samsung Experience 9.0 to the mix, which introduces picture-in-picture features, better Android Smart Lock support, and all the optimizations and enhancements that come with Oreo. Once Sunday comes around, you can head to the settings, and then tap Software Update to manually try to pull the OTA. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.